Best day ever. Best day ever.
Be a good time, welcome to the high life. Jump right in and show you wild side. Right now we're gonna live it up. Don't stop till you get enough.
Feel it, work it, move it. This is how we do it. Live it, breathe it, lose it. Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day ever.
It can't get better.
Yo guys, so after 4 weeks, finally makakalabas na tayo here in the hotel. So today we're headed to the airport, going to Istanbul, and it's just a transit, and Istanbul going to UK. So they will pick us up at 1 tonight, 1 a.m. and it's already 12. So I need to go down to weigh my luggage at the lobby. So too many souls. So let's go. I'll see you around the world again. Oh, by the way, this time I prayed that I wanna try Carship, and God put me there. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Best day ever.
It can't get better. When we're together, it's now or never.
Best day ever.
Mr. Valera,
Yes po.
bababa ng face mask niyo for a while. Wala po. Yung vaccine niya, sir, picture lang ko lang.
Pwede to.
Ako.
Baka mauna yan. I am fully vaccinated.
Ayan.
Tapos,
Philippines.
minor everything mo.
Dalawang bagahe po hanggang London na. Boarding pass sa London is in boarding pass 8110. Boarding time seat number. Window seat na rin.
True.
Yun lang. True lalo kasi pag
Sit
nagkamali
pala
yung
yun.
isa,
Kamali lahat.
Yes.
Bye!
Passport, departure card nasa na.
So we passed the security now. We're going to our gate. It's gate 110. Yeah.
In this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
So we are boarding now, going to Istanbul, Turkey. It's gonna be a 13 hours flight, and it's just gonna be a transit going to London. London is our final destination.
And move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can.
Everything seems normal right now. It's just that there's an extra precaution
because of COVID, the pandemic, and seems like everyone is out of their house traveling already. As you can see here, we're in the airport in Istanbul, Turkey, and there's a lot of passengers. So as you can see that everyone is already out of their home and just get vaccinated and you can go wherever you want.
Till my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
By vlog, nandito kami ngayon sa Turkey. Kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko. Trip-trip lang. Trip-trip lang.
A, 23A.
Nandito kami ngayon sa eroplano. Naghihintay ng ibang pasahero. Maya lilipad na. Mamaya buo na yan. Dito ako sa UK, nagtitrip.
Kakain ka lang.
Naghanap ako ng masarap na food tripan dito ngayon.
Yung tog-tog.
Wala akong mabiling isbulan. Yun, pupuntahan namin yung agent ngayon kasi para siya magturo sa amin kung saan kami kakain.
Taray, may agent.
Salamat sa sponsor namin.
Pwede.
Tapos damit mo, hindi Versace, no?
Sir, saan ka?
Waiting, bagay. Kasi walang ibang kukuha nito kundi kami lang din. Pag pinabayaan mo, thank you na yun. Nakita mo na ba yun sa'yo?
Isa pa lang.
Isa pa lang din.
So, naghahanap tayo ng agent.
Lumabas ka na, ako wala pang tulog. Diba? Wala pa akong tulog, lumabas ka. Kailangan namin mag-hotel kasi nalalatan na ako.
I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, party, trying my best to meet some.
Hey guys, so we just got here at the hotel for I think 1 day, and we just checked in, got our keys, and choose the food for tonight. So we're gonna do another room tour again.
But I don't think that they make anything that strong, so I hold on. Yeah. I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home.
na tayo sa room. Studio type. Studio type room. Nalabas tayo bukas. Typical motel. Bathroom tour. So, we just checked in. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa room. And actually, bathroom. So, maliligo muna tayo. Then we'll just wait for the food. And let's try to go out tomorrow and see some places. So, we don't know if we can go out when we're already in the ship. So, let's try to make the most out of it. Still, let's be safe. So, maliligo na ako ngayon because my flight is too long. It's 14 hours and 4 hours to be here in London. So, welcome to season 3 and see you along the way.
Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna